This is not just an open house. It is lifestyle tour in one of the Las Vegas most desirable 55-plus community. Welcome to Sun City Summerlin, where retirement looks like permanent vacation. Thinking about downsizing or retiring in style, you are going to want to see the Sun City Summerlin gym. Hi everyone, สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to my channel. This is Sai Brown with Century 21 Americana. I'm your real estate go-to expert. Today I'm at the open house here in a beautiful Sun City Summerlin, a premier 55-plus golf community in Las Vegas. This open house is not my listing, but I could not resist sharing with you. Whether you are thinking of retiring, downsizing, or relocating here in Las Vegas area, this home just might be check all your boxes. So this weekend, I'm taking you to the open house that I have selected for you. These three homes, it's only about less than 1 mile apart. It is in Sun City Summerlin, a 55-plus golf community. Price range from $600,000 to $1,150,000. And the reason why I select these three open house that is because they have an amazing upgrade. And I will tell you the detail in just a second. Let's go inside and take a look. First home on Youngdale Drive. As you're walking into the home, you will notice the clean landscaping, super low maintenance, great curb appeal, and quiet, well-kept neighborhood. As soon as you walk in the home, you will get this bright open floor plan with plenty of natural lights. This living area is an ideal for relaxing or entertaining, whether it's family visiting or friends from the community. Beautiful upgraded home feature a luxury kitchen with high-end stainless steel appliance, backyard and outdoor space with your own private oasis with covered patio and a sparkling pool with spa. The second home on Youngdale Drive also have a beautiful upgraded features. The difference between these two homes is that this one, the backyard and the outdoor space is located in the golf course with mountain view, no pool. And the third home in the Legends Drive. This home you will discover a stunning, fully renovated with every detail has been thoughtfully upgraded with a model finish and high-end touches. Located on 11 holes of one of the golf course with the mountain view in Sun City. So what makes these three open house properties stand out from the other listing in Sun City? Yes, of course, it's the upgrades. All you need is pack your bag connected with the movers. That's it. Here is the thing, guys. You are surrounded with stunning mountain view, clean air, and peaceful desert backdrop. Just minutes from this home, you will find 3 beautiful golf courses, 4 clubhouse, fitness center, indoor-outdoor pool. There is something here for everyone. So now you know, if you want more detail or to schedule a private tour, don't hesitate to contact me. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop the comment below. I really love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye for now. ลาก่อนค่ะ